Hi everybody, this is my little review of the HTC Touch and some of the issues I have been dealing with during my period with this device. I've had it for about 5 months now and I'm not very impressed at all. I like the mobile phone because it's mine, but not anything further than that. And one of the big issues I have been dealing with during my period with this HTC Touch is the keyboard. And when you're typing messages and stuff like that, the keyboard is awfully small. And what I did is I downloaded a little product called PDA full-size keyboard. I will also post a link for this software. It's totally free. And what you get is a little tab up in the left corner. It's to the right for you guys. But when you push that little blue thing, you get a full-size keyboard. So you don't have to use your pen every time you're typing a message. And that is quite nice actually. So I had this software for about 3 months or something, and it helped me a lot during that period. Yeah, so I think that will do it. I think, yeah.